Greetings, Dr. Jima Montesilio and Dr. Luvim Eusebio. This is my Packet Tracer Prelim Lab exam. In switch 0, which is my server, this is my show VLAN brief, and this is the code that I input it. Yes. You will see an error because I have forgot something to add to code. Yeah. I changed the switch 0 to switch 0 and chocolate. That's my host name. BTP version 2, BTP domain PNC, node to PNC, mode server, and the BTP pass is 1234. Configure P. VLAN 10, his name is admission. VLAN 20, his name is registrar. VLAN 30, accounting, and VLAN 40 is computer lab. And I input the int fa0/1 is switch port mode trunk. And this to the switch, and the switch one is this is the show VLAN brief, and in switch 2 this is the VLAN brief, and the switch 3 is this is the VLAN brief. In switch 1 I code it like that. Int fa1/1 switch port mode access. This will access VLAN 10, and VLAN 10 is admission, and this VLAN 20, this int fa2/1 will access the VLAN 20, and 3/1 is as the VLAN 30. In switch 2, same thing like that. In switch 3, this switch 3 has a access to VLAN 40, which is computer lab. The VLAN 10 is admission, the VLAN 20 is registrar, VLAN 30 is accounting, VLAN 40 is computer lab. So let's make a message if this is connected. Switch PC0 to PC3 successful, and PC1 to 4 successful again. PC2 to PC3, PC2 to PC5 successful, and the last is PC6 to PC8 successful, because we did a trunk that this switch is connected to switch 1, switch 2, and switch 3. So even if this PC has a different switch, like this part is switch 1, this PC is to switch 1, and this PC is to switch 2. So you will see PC0 and PC3 has a different switch, but their status is successful because of the mode trunk. And thank you for watching.